Hi guys, in today's video, we will demonstrate the screenshot function on Kommander. Find it under Media. Custom the names. The screen list will display all local physical screens. After setting, drag it to Canvas. Here we will add a screen recording from another laptop. You can also customize the screenshot area, either full screen or a selected area. Here we can select any part of the screen. Let's capture our Facebook page. Click OK and let's see it. Drag the screenshot to the canvas. You can open other software on your computer, and the output will display the content from that software. That's all for today's video. Thank you for watching.